Is outsourcing your laser marking costing you too much money? Then Colchester Machine Tool Solutions have all the answers. Paul, tell me more about the laser marking machines.
The laser marking machines are here and are designed for marking product for traceability within industry. A lot of products can't go out of the door without traceability, serial numbers, codes. So that's what these machines are designed to do.
And what materials are you working with?
We can mark pretty much anything. We can mark everything from cardboard right through to tungsten carbide. So any metals, virtually any material, plastics, so anything that needs a traceability code we can mark with our series of lasers. Our lasers here are very easy to set up. They're almost straight out of the box, plug and play. They come as a complete system, they come with the software, they come with all the connection cables, just run normally off a 240 volt supply, your normal 3-pin plug, and all you really need is a desktop to put them on.
If you require laser marking, this is great because it's a ready-to-go system. There's no complex integration, it's a robot out the box, it's a laser out the box and an install of a piece of software. You might need possibly half an hour's worth of programming and you can literally be in production that quickly. So this is a collaborative robot. This is the UR5, which is the sort of medium of the family. And what we mean by collaborative is it doesn't always require any external safety, guarding, light scanners, anything like that. Which means, as you can see here, it can work directly alongside a machine. The universal robot comes in 3 sizes, so there's a size for every application. And a primary advantage of the UR is you can actually use the free drive mode to manually move it round by hand. The benefit of that is it leads for quicker programming and less time on the teach pendant. So first of all, you'd write a program using the robot teach pendant. This is a very graphic interface, it's very simple to do and it wouldn't take much time at all. Once you've got that program written, it's really just a case of pressing play every shift, every day. Then the robot will come in, it will pick the component from the tool, it will place it into the laser itself. The door will then automatically close, the etch will take place, the door will open and the robot will pick and place the item again. And that's the whole process. Again, the advantage of the universal robot on one of the smaller laser systems is it can actually use the arm to manually shut and open the door.
The main applications for the lasers are for traceability, so serial numbers, barcodes, information from databases, but not exclusively. We also have customers that use these things for personalisation, for jewellery, lots of different applications, but mainly traceability.
Can you tell me about the 2 models that you've got here?
Yeah.
And the variety of models that you have?
Yeah, we have a very wide range. As we mentioned earlier, we've got a laser that will suit every particular application, and we go straight from the laser gear box there, which is our low-cost introduction laser, but a very high-quality laser, right through the mid-range, the MXL behind me, right through to EMS 400, which is a 4-axis machine, so we can put in large trays of product, large marking area.
The advantage of the universal robot here is it's actually compatible with all the Colchester lasers, not just the one you see behind me. So whether it's on the small system, the medium system or the large system, the software is exactly the same. And this allows for various loading capabilities, so we can look at multiple part pallet loading, you can look at single part processing for larger parts. It's all compatible.
And why is that beneficial to a company then?
Well, it's beneficial to a company because it offers diversity. It allows you to put it into any style of production line, and without a complex integration, you can see the benefits very quickly. Olympus Technologies has been a company now for 30 years. We've been in automation for well over 15, and this gives us sort of a lot of experience in a lot of different areas. The advantage of the universal robot is its simplicity. Historically, robots have a stigma around them. They're difficult to program and get operational in industry. This is just not the case. You can be quickly and simply in production. The collaboration between Olympus Technologies and Colchester really started when we were brought into a customer who needed a laser etching solution. It was part of a larger automation cell, so due to locality, the 2 companies were made to work together.
And so why does it work so well, the whole process?
So historically, automating anything was potentially difficult. It needed scripting and coding, and it had a stigma around it of difficulty. With the introduction of the universal robot, that's been made a lot simpler. As you can see on the pendant itself, it's all very graphic. So Olympus Technologies wrote a piece of software that allows the two systems to talk, making it more or less plug and play. This provides a solution really because it potentially has a smaller footprint if you don't require as large a system of guarding as you did historically. It's far simpler to program than industrial systems, which means less training. It also means that if you have staff leave, it's less difficult to reskill new staff. So there's a lot of benefits of this system.
So what was the requirement to introduce automation for?
There's a lot of reasons for automation. A lot of the applications, as we said earlier, are traceability, so it can be very repetitive. It also ties up a person, and obviously a person is a very valuable commodity. To do a mundane task, what better than a robot? Our machines are very competitively priced, and they feature a high quality laser system, MOPA laser, and at the moment we've got a really good deal going as well. We're offering a part exchange of £1,500 on any old laser or dot beam marker. We believe that this is the way forward. With the year that we've just had particularly, we believe that this is the most cost effective solution for laser marking for the future.